Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a super easy and crispy snack, chicken toffee samosa. Perfect for iftar parties or when you just crave something spicy and crunchy. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup chicken pieces. Pour in a blender. Blend well and keep aside. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons oil. Add 3 tablespoons onion, 2 chopped green chili. Toffee samosas are one of the most popular fusion street foods in India and Bangladesh. Now add the chicken keema. One teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon coriander, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon black pepper powder. Cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Adding green chilies and spices boosts metabolism naturally. Always cook the chicken mixture until dry. No moisture should remain. Then set aside to cool. Now for the dough, take 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Now add 1/3 cup water to make a smooth dough. Now rub a little oil and rest for 5 minutes. Rest the dough for soft yet firm wrapping. Now take some dough. Trim the edges and cut into square pieces. Now place some cooked chicken mixture. Now fold as shown. Spread some water. Seal the edges with a fork and make toffee shapes. This snack got its name because of its toffee-like shape. It's a favorite among kids because of its playful shape and bite-sized form. Now fry in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Use medium heat while frying for even color and crispiness. You can air fry or bake for a healthier option. This crispy outer layer perfectly complements the spicy chicken filling. Chicken is rich in protein, perfect for a wholesome snack. Using less oil keeps it lighter and easier to digest. Crispy on the outside and juicy inside, these chicken toffee samosas are the perfect snacks for any occasion. Try it today and share your result with Innovin Foods. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more fun and delicious recipes every day.